Hey guys, Kim here. I thought we'd do some more content on reviewing craft kits because they are an excellent way to relax, and I know they help me loads. If you hear a noise, my dogs are in here snorting in my ear hole. Little monkeys, they just want to be that close. But anyway, today I am reviewing the Make Arcade mini cross stitch kit, which is the very funky snake on a 3-inch hoop. So this is not endorsed at all by the Make Arcade in any way. It is completely my choice. I've done the kit, I've bought the kit myself, and I've just really enjoyed it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So what you get in the kit, I've done it already, like I said. Let's open this up, and you can see what you get in the kit. Like I say, yeah, I've done it already. So you get the needle, which is stuck down so you don't lose it, which is great for me because I'm always losing things. You get the actual kit, just giving you a rough idea on the steps what to do, and obviously the printed out design. You get the aider so you can stitch it on, and a little bag of a thread. And then you get the backing material, which when you've used the hoop, nice little cute 3-inch hoop, very easy to use. So once you've done your cross stitch and you've set it on your hoop and it's all nice and done, you can then cut the rest of the remaining aider off and stitch that funky colour to the back, and then you've got a final piece of art that you can hang on your wall. I think that is absolutely beautiful because then it's finished then and it's all done, something you can hang up and you can be proud of. Oh, Ollie's yawning in the background because she's tired. It's been a long day fighting, ain't it, Bob? Right, the only thing I would say is the green is a slightly different colour to the packaging. Getting a bit of wobble now, but not really different, just slightly. But I do prefer this green. I think the darker green is nicer. As you can see, it is a very, very nice green, and it's such a cute little design. Now my dog's scratching in the background. Dogs. So yeah, so I think this is absolutely brilliant. I am going to finish it off. I'm going to get it set into the hoop, and I'm going to get the background stitched on. I'm going to trim it down, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okie dokie. So yes, we'll see what it looks like when it's completely finished and stitched on. If I can find my scissors, because I've now lost my scissors. But yes, we'll get there. Brilliant little kit. Highly recommend it. And I've got another one that I'm going to be starting after this, so I'll do a little video for that as well. But yeah, other than scissors, which it says on the back what it includes, you need a good pair of scissors and a cup of tea and cake. Oh, always need a good cup of tea. Then once you've got that, you're ready to go. Everything is here. You're all ready to go. Perfect little kit, and I'll double check on the pricing I paid for it, because you know I'm as organised as ever when I'm making my little videos. Yes, nice and wobbly on my wobbly frame. Fantastic. But yes, I'll get it finished up. I'll do a little video showing you what it looks like done. And I'll let you know. See you soon. Right, and it's all finished. As you see, all in the hoop, nice, and my attempt at sewing the felt on the back. But yes, in my defence, I wasn't feeling too good yesterday, so it was a bit wobbly. But yep, that's a little cutie all done. My little girl's already decided she's having it for a bedroom wall for her baby, so he's claimed. So yes, giggling in the background. But yes, as of going to video, this little kit was £10 on the Make Arcade website. And then any postage, even, not petrol, postage. Any postage that you need to pay for it to be delivered. That's because I've got petrol on mine, because I'm stressing. My dogs are getting involved. Yes, so I think it's a fantastic little kit.
Hi.
That's Jasmine.
Hi.
And it's definitely well worth the money. Yes, so I'll pop a link down below so you can go and check them out. And then I'll get on with the next one. Thanks a lot. See you later, guys.